What does day-to-day Amazon PPC management actually involves? It involves campaign creation. We were talking about campaign creation. That is one of the pillars. Second, it's going to involve proper management. When we are talking about management, we're talking about optimizing our bid, negating keywords, pausing targets that are irrelevant, pausing within the campaign products that we are advertising that are not relevant. So that would be the management side. We also do inventory projections and forecasting on a week-to-week basis just to ensure that there's no inventory left that is an old inventory. So that is also what management involves. Reporting is one part of the process. Many consider that reporting is for clients. Honestly, for us, reporting is for ourselves, to check ourselves that we are staying accountable to whatever we want to achieve, whatever goal it was. Also, it's a transparency sheet that we are sharing with the brands that we're managing, that look, these are the steps that we took. This is the outcome. If we hit target, amazing. If we are above target, amazing. If we are below target, still amazing. We're going to look into why are we below target and the potential things that next time we can do better so we are not. So that would be also that side. What else? Certain reports. Generating the certain reports is one more part of this. We were talking about keyword negation, but certain reports, we are using it for two main things. For downloading the certain reports to see which are the keywords that are converting best, to see which are the keywords that we should be creating new campaigns with, and also to see which are the keywords that we should be negating, either on an account level, either on the product level. So those would be the things that are really top of mind right now. I feel like there's more there, but these would be the main things that the day-to-day management would involve. One more thing that we're doing here at Scalable, we have a daily history log, which means that on a daily basis, our account managers are going to log in, and anything that they did on the account is going to be logged into the account. Why we have this is, again, we consider that accountability and transparency is our number one reason why we have the brands that we have and why they stick with us. But two is going to be, we are human, we forgot. So if we don't have a simple thing of check mark or I did this because, and this was the outcome, it's going to be very hard for us to look back into, okay, what happened 2 weeks ago if it's not recorded. Imagine as if it's meeting minutes, the same thing happens here. When it comes to strategy, that is something you do on a monthly basis. It's still part of, I would say this is more strategic approach plus management, but that is also something we look into, how close or how far are we to hitting our quarterly goals. One more thing that is not necessarily management, but also something that you're doing is learning. The same way you guys are attending this session today and asking questions, we are attending conferences, we are watching YouTube videos, we are taking training. So that is still part of the strategic approach. Why? Because if we are learning something really cool, we're applying to a client's account, the strategy works well for them. Again, we generated additional income from them. So that is also part of the management that I'm seeing. But if it does come down to the main, basic, simple is campaign creation, bid optimization, keyword research, and negation. Those would be the main things or the basic things that you should be doing.